Hi, Form to Cyber Impact add-on for Google Forms lets you to take Google Form submission to Cyber Impact contact. To begin, click the add-on symbol, Form to Cyber Impact, Configure. Connect to Cyber Impact using a token, which you get it from the URL. Open the tokens page, click New API token. You get a token, copy it. Paste it here, click Save. Click Map Questions. How should contacts be assigned to groups? Assign a fixed group or assign based on form response. I choose assign based on form response. I choose country, Canada, India, and United States. These are the valid country names. If you look at the form, I have the drop down with the country names Canada, India, and United States. So if people prefer to choose the country names, either Canada, India, or United States, the created group, the created contact would land to a country group based on the form submission. Click Add Field Mapping. Choose the standard fields as email, work email address of the form. I would like to save the name as full name and then a note as additional comments. Email me if an error occurs. Click Save. These are the groups. Let's submit the form. The form is submitted. Let's go to Cyber Impact. I reload the page and your contact is ready. You supplied the details. Note the first name and the email. And the contact is being assigned with the group's United States. I hope this add-on is helpful. Thank you.